really was based just aesthetically on the shapes that
Right.
you found in the...
Right.
This building, the sequel, is the history and the story of telephony, of the telephone company.
Okay.
So this mural's about the history.
Hmm.
Okay? You know, the underground burying of the cable
Right,
and the whole
right,
business.
right.
This piece is about the future of telephone.
Oh, wow, look how tall that is.
So when I was visiting their company, I was working with one of their engineers, and he opened up his drawer, and in his drawer were samples from the company of all the different kind of cables that were needed, because the industry has changed so dramatically over the years. So for example, this is fiber optic cable.
This one here.
Yeah. This stands for fiber optic cable.
Okay, right, it represents that.
It represents that.
Okay.
This is, one of these is coax cable.
It doesn't matter which one, 'cause
Which, you know,
it just looks like cable, but
all these different
coax,
kinds of cable. That is satellite.
Okay, that dish type of thing.
That dish type thing, and the little dots coming off of the side here.
Okay. So I really like how it tells history too. It's not just form.
Right.
But it's
Right.
saying something about the materials of the time period.
You know, and how voice is translated into electric lines.
Right.
You
So
know,
that grid up there is like
Right.
a graph that would show the modulation of the
modulations. Now, those wires that we saw over there, as they come out, the different colors of wires mean that they have to be in a certain order. So if you were splicing telephone cable together, you
Okay.
would understand that order of...
I bet my brother probably could tell you what each of those means.
So, and the star way up at the top is for the future.
Aha. And what, that stands, what, 1520?
Yeah.
Is it heavy or is it hollow? or-
Oh, well, it's hollow, but yeah.
So did you make the parts in where you're at and then install it here and assemble it here, or was it assembled to begin with and they were...
Remind me when we get to the studio, because I'll forget. I have a model of this
Okay.
studio.
I'll try to remember.
So
We'll both try to remember.
I'll try to remember. I build a model and I take it down to a sheet metal company, and they made it. Okay, for the most part. And then, you know, things like this, all these little wires, and the found objects,
Right.
I
Inserted after.
inserted afterwards.
Yeah, can we drive, is that within driving distance where that place was made? Or,
No.
Okay, that was
No.
somewhere else.
That was-
Okay. Well, let me get some still shots.